Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Labitan.
Certainly, Miss Labitan. May I kindly request a valid ID card, please?
Here.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to verify your reservation. I have confirmed your booking for a deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Very well. May I request you to please complete this registration form?
Of course. Here.
Thank you. How would you prefer to settle your payment?
I will be paying by credit card.
Certainly, kindly insert your card into the terminal.
Okay.
Your payment has been successfully processed. Here is your room key. You have been assigned for room 305. Please be informed that breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our restaurant, and our standard checkout time is at 12 noon.
Thank you very much.
It is our pleasure. Should you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact the front desk.
Thank you.
Okay.